So today we are going to make 10.5 inches 10-headed block figure. For making the block figure, we will take 10.5 inches line. We'll make a line and mark the points on it, 1 inches points, 0 to 10. Then we will start with 0 to 1 point. In the first block of 0 to 1, we'll make the head, as we will take 0.75 inches total for the head block. Total width is 0.75 inches and the length is 1 inches as we have taken for 0 to 1 block. Now we will make the neckline. We will take the center of point 1 to 2 and then we will again take the center of that, and now we have to take 1.5 inches for the shoulder line. We will take 1.5 inches for the shoulder line at the center point of 1 to 2 here. Now we will take the neckline. So we will take 0.25 inches total for the neckline. We will take the center of point we have taken at the center of between to make the neck and then the shoulder slopes by joining the points with the lowest shoulder points. Then we will take the center of point 3 and 4 and it will come as the waist point. We will take 1 inches and we will join it with the diagonal lines. Now we will take at 5.5 we will take the hip line. So for hip line we will take 1.5 inches total. We'll mark a line and join these points with the waist points. Then we will take the center of the point 9 and 10 to make the highest shoulder point. We'll take 0.25 inches total and mark it. And we will take lowest shoulder points on the point 10.5 as 1 inches total, and we will join these points with the diagonal lines for making the feet. Now we are joining the points for making the legs in between. Now we will make the arms. For making a bent arm, we will take 1 inches gap from the waistline and we will mark 0.25 inches points. Now we are taking 0.25 inches for the arm at the hip line and we'll join the lines for lower arm, inner arm and outer arm at the lower arm. Now we will take the center of point 2 and 3 and then the center of point 2 and 2.5. We'll make a line to make the inner arm points. We'll join the points for making the upper arm. Like this. This is our bent arm. Now we are going to make a straight arm. So we will mark 1 inches outside from hip line and we'll mark 0.25 inches. And now we will mark the lines for arm. So now we are going to make the hands. We have taken the half of 0.25. Length of the hand is 1 inches and width of the hand is 0.5 inches. 0.25 on both the sides. Now we are joining these points to make the hand. So hand is ready. Now we are going to make a bend hand. So we will make a bend line, folded line. So the length of the line is 1 inches. We will take the center and 0.5 inches is the width. So now we will attach the lines to make the hand. So our 10.5 inches 10-headed figure block figure is ready. We have made it. Now we will make 12.5 inches 10-headed figure. So for that we'll make a line of 12.5 inches. and then we will mark the blocks of 1.25 inches on that. Each block is of 1.25 inches, and these blocks will count from 0 to 10. We can mark the numbers on that so that we can make the lines on it. So in 0 to 1, now we will make the head block. For making the head block, we will take the width as 0.75 inches and length will be 1.25 inches. At the bottom of the head, same 0.75 inches. Then we will complete the block for making the head. Now we will make the neck. We will take the center point of 1 and 2, and then the center of these both points to make the neck width, and neck width will be 0.25 inches. And then at the center of point 1 and 2, we will make the shoulder line of 1.5 inches. Now we will attach these points to make the neckline and the shoulder slopes like this. Now we will take the center of point 3 and 4 to make the waistline. At waist we will take 1 inches, and at the point 5 we will make the hip length. It will come as 1.5, 0.75 on both the sides. Now we will join the lines to make these blocks. Waist block and hip block is ready. Now we will make the arms. For making the arms, we will take center of 2 and 3, and then the center of 2 and 2.5 to make the inner arm curve. So first we will make the folded arm. So I have taken 1 inches outside waistline. Then I will take 0.25 inches for making the arm, and then I am marking the points outer arm and inner arm. Now we will take 1.25 inches on the hip line, and then we are joining inner line and outer line of the arm. Now we will make the full arm, straight arm. So we have taken 1 inches outside the hip length and 0.25 inches for the arm, and we had joined the lines. Now we will make the hands, folded hand and straight hand. So for folded hand we will take 1.25 inches length, and we will take the center to take the width, and we will take the width as 0.5 inches, and we will make a block for the hand. Like you can see how I am making it. This is for the folded hand, and for straight hand we will take the center of 0.25, length 1.25 inches. Then we will take the center, width 0.5 inches, and we will make the block. We are ready with the block, hand block. So now we will move towards the legs and feet. So from point 9 and 10 we will take the feet point, highest feet point 0.5 inches total, and lowest feet point 1 inches total. We'll make the feet by joining with diagonal lines, and by joining hip line and highest feet point we'll make the legs. So our 12.5 inches block 10 headed figure is ready. So